You want me to scratch you? Yeah. Okay, let's scratch you. It feels good, doesn't it? I'm gonna move over here now. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Want me to scratch you again? What if I move back? What if I move way over here? Just gonna stay there. Look at your little tail going. Who's a good puppy? Who's a bad puppy? Who's a good puppy? Who's a bad puppy? Who's a good puppy? Everything starts with a J. Jakey. Come here, puppy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, I'm not gonna scratch you. You offended me. Here we go. Hi, puppy. I'm gonna show you some tricks. Give me your paw. Come on. Give me your paw. Okay, I'll scratch you again. Does it feel good? Yes. Yes, it feels good. Hey, puppy, give me your paw. Good boy. Good puppy. Give me your paw again. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Come on. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. You're failing. You're failing the test. Come on. You being camera shy? Give me your paw. There. Stretch out your leg. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Good boy. Come here. Sit. Why don't you sit down? It says lying down. Look like a pancake and it's harder to do tricks. Ah! Come here. Sit. Oh, Jake, don't eat it. Good boy. Stay where you are. There you go, boy. Give me your paw. Good boy. Give me your paw. You give up on tricks. You don't want to do tricks anymore. Okay. Okay. Okay, puppy. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye, babe.